Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Netlify detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Netlify website. Click on the sign up button in the upper right corner. You can choose to sign up with your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. Alternatively, you can use your email address to create a new account. Fill in the required fields if you're signing up with email. After entering your information, click on the Create Account button. Once signed in, you will be taken to the Netlify dashboard. To create a new site, click on the New Site from Git option. Select the Git provider you used to sign up. Authorize Netlify to access your repositories if prompted. Choose the repository you want to deploy from your Git account. Select the branch you want to deploy, typically, it's the main branch. Click on the Deploy Site button. Netlify will begin the deployment process. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the deployment is finished, you will see a confirmation message. You will also receive a generated site URL where your site is live. To customize your site name, click on Site Settings. Under the Site Settings, find the Site Information section. Enter your preferred site name in the Site Name field. Make sure to save your changes. If you want to manage your site's domain, go to the Domain Settings section. Here, you can add a custom domain or configure a subdomain. Once you've set up your domain, head back to the dashboard. From the dashboard, you can view your deployment previews and logs. To enable features like forms or serverless functions, explore the Netlify add-ons section. If needed, you can also set up continuous deployment by linking additional repositories. Finally, test your live site by navigating to the generated URL. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.